2E3. 2E3.
Okay.
And our ceiling height is
275.
275. Yeah.
Okay.
So we have 8 ceiling.
Okay.
And I want to 8 to 10 because we have here.
But some of those beams are going to stick in. That's not the bottom. That's the bottom of this beam.
This one is,
Yeah, that's because of that.
yeah.
That's the bottom of that.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got our steel decking finally. Most of it's up here, some of it's down there still. So, Noe, do these all fit?
Some are we have to get and cutting some.
Some need to be cut?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not all exact in their measurement.
Okay, but none of them are too small?
No.
Okay, I think that's cutting them off is better
Yeah.
than making them grow.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're real happy our steel decking's here. Today is Tuesday. Another reason to be happy because that means it's CA Day. And CA stands for Cash Advance. I met with the electrician, and I'm going to go over that right now. I'll go downstairs. Hold on. Actually, while I'm up here still, I'm going to tell you that. So the plan is he's going to bring this mixer up here, along with sand and gravel and cement. He's confident. He's done it before. That the weight of that mixer will be okay on this structure. They're going to move it around. He says it's probably going to take more than 6 days to pour the slab on top of this steel decking, and that'll encompass the beams as well and the girders. I think he's crazy, but I trust his judgment. Actually, I don't trust his judgment. I trust his experience. Says he's done it before and it should be fine. He looks very confident, so I do trust his experience. Now I'm going to go downstairs and I'll talk to you about the electrical. So I'm walking down the ramp. I thought it'd be better to do the mixing and stuff and then bucket brigaded up the ramp, but he says it's better to do it there. So we're going to do that there. I'm not going to harp on that anymore. So, meeting with the electrician. This was interesting. We are going to use a 3-wire. If you're doing electrical here in the Philippines, you got to be sure you work with your electrician. My electrician is also our plumber. Now you got to be sure that you ask for a 3-wire system because we want it grounded. We want a negative and a positive and a ground. And silly me would assume the red is hot and the black is a neutral or a negative. And it's not. The red is the neutral and the black is hot. That's the way they do it here in the Philippines. He's yet to have he's going to add the third wire for the ground system. And again, you gotta, that's just uncommon here in the Philippines to have your electrical grounded. But you know, I want it done because it's a better job. I asked him about this one and why is there two black ones, and he explained to me that this wire doesn't come in red, so it's different than this wire, and it only comes in black. So that's pretty much all I got for electrical today. Somebody put an important sign on here, I'm not really sure why. In English too, authorized personnel only. I want to, I think I'll go a little bit over these blueprints here briefly. So I changed the height on our building. You can see I penciled it in. It was going to be 248 finished floor to ceiling, and I've made it 275. In between our ceiling and the next finished floor is 52.52, and we're talking metric system here, so I think that's millimeters. We have a height limit here in this development, and yeah, it's that, but I can't remember what it is millimeter wise or meter wise, but it's 30 US feet, which is pretty standard. And then here's our heights per floor. Got a roof deck. I haven't quite got to that point yet. I'm going to show you a little bit about, so I studied these plans, use a highlighter, a pencil and stuff, and I want to show you this here, how I color coordinate our beams. See that? So we got yellow and green and brown, and if you come over to our drawings here, you see we got different colors. There's our green and our blue and our pinks and all that kind of stuff. So you're going to coordinate this color. So this is a 2G. Come over here and we look for the 2G, and it's that, and that gives us the width and the height, and that's a girder, etc. Goes like that. Same with our footings, footing sizes. You can see our footings are located in different parts. The columns are located in different parts of the footings. There's more information on our steel decking. So it's 22 gauge, equal to 22 gauge, and it's 8 millimeter thick, which equals, 0.0315 inches, or 22 gauge, which is equal to a 0.295 inch. I think is what I wrote there, not important. One other thing, since I got these plans out, here's the second floor, which is the floor we're pouring right now, and I made a last minute change to the master bedroom. So before we had you walk in here, it would have been a barn door, water closet with a toilet, double sink, and then a really large shower. And it's hard to see, my plants are getting kind of faded, but there's a bathtub there. May or may not have put that bathtub in. Anyway, we decided we want to try this, something new, and I don't think I've seen in any other homes, is we have got his and a her side now. I'm not sure how well this is going in, but in my notes. But so you got your walk-in closet. No changes there. The only change is right in this area here. So this would probably be the her side. And so as you walk in, This would be a barn door, not a sliding door. There's a toilet and a sink, and then there's the shower entrance. On his side will be an entry here, a sink and a toilet, and into the shower from this side. We're still up in the air whether or not we're putting that tub in. I think we probably are, because I like a big shower, and that will not leave enough room for a big shower, in my opinion. Now, one thing that just occurred to me, I haven't put any thought into that, but maybe in this second bathroom it would make sense to make that a bathtub. I'll have to take measurements and see how well that works, but 2.15, I don't really know what that is in feet, and how well a bathtub shower combination would work there. They're more difficult to clean. They're not as comfortable to step in and out of, but it's a guest or a kid's bath, so that doesn't really bother me. So that's all I got today. Thanks for watching.